Today we're featuring a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's got 39,000 miles on it. It's black metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the roof rack up top. Nice chrome trim throughout here. Driver's side's in really good shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. It is an SXT flex fuel option. Passenger side of the van looks really good. Alright, it's been well taken care of on the exterior of this van. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the two-tone door panels, nice metallic wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows. It does have black leather power driver's seat with the cloth inserts right here. Hold on one second, let me pull this key out. There we go. Alright, so it's got the leather trim, the cloth inserts. Driver's seat's in really good shape. Alright, it does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. It's got your power lift gate, power rear sliding doors. Passenger seat looks good. No issues there. Alright, and then you can also access the side power doors and the lift gate with these buttons here. We'll go ahead and open up these side doors, let a little bit of light in here. Alright, it does have the climate control where it's got the driver, passenger, and the rear controls. Alright, it's got your display screen right here with the Bluetooth and the backup camera, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel with the white stitching. It's got Bluetooth, steering wheel audio, and we'll go ahead and check the mileage. It's got 39,811 miles. All right, let's go ahead and take a seat. And here we'll go ahead and start it up. Let's see. So now you can see the speedometer here is 39,811. Got your display screen here. Alright. Got your AM, FM satellite. Got your Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and engage backup camera.
Do you want to pair a device?
Alright. Now we've got your climate controls lit up too. See that? And the storage area here with the power supply. And also opens up there as well. Alright. AC's blowing nice and cold. It's already feeling good. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, here's your second row. Same thing here. Got the leather cloth insert. Alright, headrest come up. It's actually the dual captain's chairs back here. There's not a split bench back here. It's just the two seats. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay, and these seats, pull the lever there, the seats come flipping up. You can get to your third row seats back here. Alright, and they're in really good shape. It is the bench back here for the third row. Let's go ahead and take a look back here. You see the depth that goes down here, really deep. Plenty of storage space there. Okay, really convenient for these seats to come down too. Let's see, just simply pull this up. Well, maybe it's this one here. There we go. There you go. Just pull that lever down here. Seats go down. All right, and then they will flip back down into this area here, and all this would be flat across right here. So it opens it up. Lots of space back here. Okay, and it is the power lift gate. Push that button. Nice and slow coming down. Alright, I'll give you a shot of the seats from this side since it is a little dark in there with the black interior. But as you can see, the leather's been well taken care of. No issues at all here. Little storage area here. Okay, door panels look great. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. What we got here. Where's it at? There we go, 17-inch alloys. Okay, brand new set of tires on here. You can see the depth and the tread there. All right, just to recap, 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, 39,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's well taken care of, inside and out. Great van. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.